I'm Dr. Noopur Jain, consultant dermatologist at SkinTest. Are you one of those who's been wanting to start on skincare treatment journey but don't know where to begin? Have you been wondering why every other celebrity is talking about HydraFacial? Have you been thinking about getting a HydraFacial done but don't know where to start? If these are some of your questions which are there on your mind but you don't know where to look for the answers, this is a video which you should be watching. So what exactly is HydraFacial? As the name itself suggests, Hydra and facial. So it is basically a medical grade facial which helps in improving the hydration of your skin. So what are the benefits of a HydraFacial? HydraFacial is an almost 8 to 10 step procedure which is done at dermatologist clinics and which involves 3 basic steps. One is exfoliation and deep cleansing. Second is infusion of certain serums in the skin, and third is certain hydrating masks or LED light. So what are the benefits of these steps? The first and the most important benefit which I feel for a HydraFacial is deep cleansing. Now what happens is, with age, our skin's own capacity to exfoliate, to remove the dead skin cells and to regenerate, that keeps on slowing down. So till about say 25-30, everything is great, even without doing anything, even without using any skincare products, and our skin looks amazing. But as we enter in our 30s, and especially towards mid 30s, people start noticing a lot of difference in their skin. Skin suddenly starts looking dull, suddenly starts looking drier, and many other skin concerns develop. So HydraFacial is something which helps in stimulating this process of exfoliation, which has slowed down because of your age. So with the help of the hydradermabrasion and the exfoliating probe of the HydraFacial device, the dead skin cells get removed, but in a very gentle fashion. So hydradermabrasion, which is a combination of hydration and microdermabrasion, it is much gentler than the usual microdermabrasion which is done, and it gives the hydration advantage as well. So the exfoliation and the deep cleansing is the first benefit of a good HydraFacial. The second important benefit is the infusion of the antioxidant serums. So different devices, different clinics, different dermatologists, they will be using different kinds of serums. Usually these serums are customized according to the skin type and the skin concerns of the patients. So for people who are coming with dry skins, we would probably add hyaluronic acid serums. For people who are coming with dullness or pigmentation, we might add lactic acid, or we might add vitamin C serums. So depending on the skin concerns, these serums are customized, and the purpose of these serums is to directly deliver the antioxidants and the beneficial ingredients to the internal layers of our skin. The third important benefit is, of course, improvement of the hydration. Now, as we age, the skin starts becoming drier. The ability to retain moisture becomes lesser. So we need to give the skin the right hydration, the right hydrating ingredients, so that our skin is nourished and soft and supple. So this is done with the help of hydrating serums, with the help of hydrating sheet masks, and in the end, we apply an LED light which has its own anti-aging, anti-acne and brightening benefits. The next important benefit, which I feel is great for all of us working people, is that it's a completely no downtime procedure. So it's not that after HydraFacial you need to stay indoors or you need to avoid sun exposure. You can get back to your normal routine immediately after the procedure. For a lot of my patients, it's a lunchtime procedure. They come and get it done during lunchtime and get back to work after their procedure. So that is also a great advantage for all of us leading our busy lives. The next important benefit is that it's completely non-invasive and it's completely painless. So people who are scared of needles, people who are scared of invasive treatments, HydraFacial is the best thing that you can do for your skin. HydraFacial it's a multi-purpose facial which works on all skin types, whether you have dry skin or you have oily skin or people who have sensitive skin. HydraFacial is something which works for all of the skin types without having any side effects or any kind of complication. So this was all about HydraFacial. If you still have any questions related to the procedure, feel free to write your questions in the comment section below. I will be coming up much more content. We'll be talking about the techniques, the procedure and the steps in detail. So watch out and subscribe to our channel. Do like the video and share it with your friends. And thank you for watching.